Hey there, I'm Jenn Herman with Jenn's Trends, and if you've ever struggled with getting line breaks and spacing in your Instagram captions, this is the video for you. So it's actually very easy to do, but there's a couple quirky nuances that you need to be aware of in order to make this work properly. So you've probably often seen those Instagram captions and the couple lines space, and they have a break between paragraphs and they write some more, and you go, how do they do that? I can't make it work. Some people will put in dots as spacing, and that tends to be a workaround for a lot of people, but it's a really simple solution, and I'm going to share that with you right now. So first of all, Android users have it super easy. Android users always have the return key on their keyboard in Instagram, so you can literally just click that return button and you just drop down a couple lines. Great, super easy. iOS users, it's hidden. If you tap on the 1, 2, 3 button, you should see the return key option in there. The other option I often recommend people do is build out your caption in a note on your iOS device. And then from there, you can copy that and paste that in to your Instagram caption. And boom, there you go, spacing and everything in there. But if it was that easy, you wouldn't be looking for this video, right? Okay, so there are a couple little quirky things you need to be aware of. First of all, you cannot have a space at the end of the line or paragraph. So typically when you're typing on your keyboard, you type in, you hit period, it puts an automatic space after that last punctuation mark. So then you go ahead and hit return and it looks all great as you're formatting it, but when you hit post and it goes live on Instagram, that space after that last punctuation mark erases the return. I don't know why, but it does. So you always want to backspace up to the very last character on that line. So whether it's a punctuation mark, just a normal letter, that sort of thing, backspace all the way. You want to make sure that you have no extra spacing. And then when you hit the return key, everything stays in format. But there's more. You can't have 2 or more punctuation marks. So if you would do a ... and hit return, not gonna work. If you're like me and you use double exclamation marks because we're super excited about things, return keys not gonna work. So you can only have 1 punctuation mark after a letter, and again, no space. And there's one more thing. You can't have an emoji as the last character on the line. Don't ask me why these things happen. This is just what works. So don't use an emoji as the last character. If you do, boom, there goes your return line again. So leave your emojis at the beginning, in the middle, without. Just don't put it as the last character in that line or paragraph. And if you follow these 3 simple, quirky rules, then when you hit that return key, space down, type your next paragraph or sentence, hit the return key, keep on going. You will retain all of your formatting and everything will work beautifully. Thank you so much. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to subscribe to this channel where I share lots of other tips and tutorials and videos all about Instagram and social media marketing. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next video.